The story of Harbin Pharmaceutical Factory No. 6 begins with a legacy of public health. For decades, it served as a successful pillar of the Harbin Pharmaceutical Group, producing essential medicines and supplements familiar to millions across China. But in the mid-2000s, something unexpected happened. The company chose to build its new administration and office space not as a typical industrial block, but as a monument to its success, a massive, opulent structure inspired by the palaces of Europe. After the main pharmaceutical operations were relocated, this unique complex stood largely dormant for years, a hidden architectural gem. Then, in early 2024, the building was officially opened to the public, transforming its halls into the Harbin Printmaking Museum. Today, this former industrial site has completed its transformation, shifting from a powerhouse of medicine to a stunning, free-to-visit cultural landmark, solidifying its identity as Harbin's beloved Oriental Louvre.